Hello everyone, my name is Waleed, and today we're unboxing a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. I don't know what set this came in. I don't know, and I basically got it from the place. So before I put on to you guys, like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends. Anyways, let's open it. See, I don't know how am I supposed to get it. I think I got it. Oh god. Oh, there we go. Not bad, I got it out. Here it is. 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. So it's out of the package. It's out of the box. First up, it's pretty much detailed from the front. So that's good news. Let me just get the camera closer. It's kind of far seeing. Go. So I'm gonna show you in 1 minute. See, now it's better. So this is course detail from the front. See if we can get it. Here it is, detail from the front, but no details on the back. You know why it's a little dark? It's just I don't know why the camera can't focus the car. Let's try. Okay. I don't know why the camera can't focus. Okay, I think the camera's a little bit broken. Let's just try going to half. There it is. It says 20 here, so it's like for 2020. Here it says Koenigsegg on the side. Generally, I love the blue a lot on this. Like, I know they made one white, but the one in white is kind of destroyed. I mean, man, it's just kind of destroyed. So I got that one instead. I like it. The other ones are cool. I think it's focusing on like these. That's why I really can't get them. Focusing on the main cars. I think we gotta do this just to get most of its details. Yep, there it is. Here says 20. Koenigsegg, I think it says Castrol there. So it says Castrol. As you can see, I don't know what is this. As you can see, it's detailed from the front. I like it. The back has no details, but it kind of does. It has the Koenigsegg logo, and like the exhaust area. Just not the taillights are detailed. And the spoilers are like a little bit short. I can see here. Not really. I like the Jesko design itself. I love the black livery that goes with like the yellow and the blue. Blue. Black livery with a bit of trims. This is cool. And the car is kind of cool. Plus, it has details on the front and for here, as you can see. It's awesome. So this thing came in 2021. Yeah, 2021. No, so it was a 2020. I'm sorry. This one started out in silver. Then got released 2020 as a white one. I have the white one, but it's a bit messed up. And and in black. That's what I remember. I got a recall in black too. And now we have this one. I think I don't know if there's another one this year. I might have to look it up. Pretty cool car, honestly. Love the exotic cars. I mean, last week we opened the Liberty Walk. I already have this, so it'll be awesome. This looks cool. So, alright, guys, now it's montage time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey guys, hope you like the montage. So this is the Koenigsegg Jesko. Such a cool car. Now I wonder if they'll make a Jesko Absolute in the future. Because you know the Jesko Absolute is a Jesko without a spoiler. I don't know. I mean I love it. Love the colors. I mean, we opened this last week. If you don't remember, go check out the video. So this one will be cool with it too. So yeah guys, before I let you guys like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends, Now this video will be a bit late. Now it's not gonna be on Thursday because I didn't have time to upload because I uploaded a video today, and I'm gonna upload a pig hunting video tomorrow. No, it's like today is Thursday. I uploaded a video Thursday, and then on Friday we're gonna upload another pig hunting video where we're gonna be checking out a new store, and something interesting might happen. We don't know yet. So, you guys, we'll see you next time, everyone. Bye bye.